Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our Head Teachers Assembly. It's been another busy term at Sherbourne with so many things happening and so many incredible children and young people achieving so much. So it's nearly the end of our half term. It's time to give out certificates and it's time to just celebrate some of those incredible achievements. So sit back, enjoy and say congratulations to the children and young people in your class that have done so well. So our first pupil to celebrate is Dylan in yellow class. Dylan, we want to say a huge well done to you because you are independently sorting shapes. Not only can you sort shapes that have got 3, 4 and 5 sides, you're now sorting shapes with 6, 7 and 8 sides. So Dylan, we think you're absolutely brilliant. You have made so much progress and we are so proud of you. Well done, Dylan. Now we say a huge well done to Hamza in blue class. Hamza, you've been using your standing frame for the first time. It is your very first experience of standing and you are tolerating it so well. We're really proud of you, Hamza. Well done. It's time for us to say a huge well done to Serena. Serena, your talking is really coming on. You have improved so much and you're starting to use your words to ask for things that you want as well as using your symbols. You are starting to give verbal responses to questions and instructions. Serena, we really are so proud of you. Well done. Next up, we're moving into orange class. And in orange class, Bobby is getting the Achievement Award. Bobby, you have made great progress with reading CVC words and tricky words, and you are willing to sit and read with an adult. Absolutely brilliant, Bobby. Well done. Now it's time to say a big congratulations to Isaac in white class. Isaac, you have recently been introduced to Rolly, your cane, and you have responded so positively. Isaac, you're now able to hold Rolly by the handle and move from side to side to find different objects. But not only this, Isaac, you've also worked really hard in numeracy with your counting skills that have just come on in leaps and bounds. Well done, Isaac. Congratulations. So the next young person we want to celebrate is the wonderful Bradley in pink class. Bradley, the staff are so proud of you because you are always keen to learn new things. You've got such a positive and eager attitude towards all of your learning and you're an absolute joy to have in the class. Congratulations, Bradley, you're a superstar. So it's now time for a double celebration in green class, where we say congratulations to Amina and Kian. So you two, you have been described as having fantastic reading skills. You're both beginning to independently sound out and blend CVC words when using your reading books. And you've been described by your class team as absolutely amazing. We really are so proud of you. Well done, Amina and Kian. My next Head Teachers Award goes to Jaden in purple class. Jaden, you have been working really hard to add 3-digit numbers in numeracy, and you've also been completing lots of extension work in all of your lessons and always trying your best. Jaden, we really are so proud of you. Well done. So my final Head Teachers Award in primary goes to Jasdeep in grey class. Jasdeep, you have been a really kind friend to other children in the class and you are always so helpful. So well done, Jasdeep. Keep it up. So now we're in 3L and we need to say a huge congratulations and well done to Harvey. Harvey, you have really improved in your communication with staff and there's been a massive increase in your contribution to lessons and your sheer enthusiasm to try new things. Harvey, we think you're absolutely amazing. Congratulations from everybody. Well done, Harvey. So we've got another double celebration in 3MB where we say a huge congratulations to Warwick and Taylor. First up, it's Warwick. Well done to you, Warwick, on your progression and hard work with your new self-propelled wheelchair. You have impressed all of us. This has given you a newfound freedom and independence, Warwick, and we think that you are amazing. And then it's Taylor. Taylor, you've been working so hard on your communication, using a combination of Podbook and iBar technology to access both the curriculum and social occasions. The development of your skills has improved hugely. We are so proud of you both for trying so hard and for getting great results. Well done, Warwick and Taylor. Those double celebrations keep coming, and it's time to say a big congratulations to both Ashley and Elijah in 3T. Ashley and Elijah, you've been described as having very inquisitive minds during your learning, always asking questions to build your knowledge on a topic, and you've both got a brilliant attitude to your work. We really are very proud of the work that you've done this year, and we think that both of you deserve a Head Teachers Award. So a big congratulations, Ashley and Elijah. Now it's a big well done to Sudian in 3MH. Sudian, you have been making an excellent effort in all of your lessons with increased participation in class discussions. So that's absolutely fantastic, Sudian. An achievement award is on its way to you. Well done. Now it's time to say a really big well done to Safwan in 3S. Safwan, we've been so impressed because you've been doing so well eating your school lunches, and you've been trying out new tastes, which we know is quite difficult for you. So well done, Safwan. We really are very proud of you. So now it's a huge well done to Brandon in 3-4R. Brandon, you've got this month's award because you've been working brilliantly with your communication book to request highly motivating items and activities, and you're beginning to link two key symbols, I want and the item you want. You're engaging so well with your communication book, and you often spend time independently looking through it. So a massive well done to you, Brandon. Congratulations. Now it's time to celebrate the wonderful Taslima in 4AD. Taslima, you're getting this award for fantastic initiation, exploration and persistence of sensory activities all across the curriculum. Here you are independently initiating putting your boat into the water for play. Well done, Taslima. We really are so proud of you. So it's now time to say congratulations to somebody in 4A, and it's a big congratulations to you, Alex. Alex, we think you did so well completing your walk for the Duke of Edinburgh Award Scheme, and we think you are absolutely fantastic. So we wanted to say well done to you. You've got an achievement award coming to you. Congratulations, Alex. Well done. My next award goes to somebody in 4Z, and it's you, Rahan. Rahan, there are so many positive things to say about you. You've been approaching your work with a more mature attitude, and you've been considering the way you communicate with different people. But not only that, you're also trying to expand your friendship group by getting involved in different games at lunchtime. Rahan, it's absolutely brilliant to be giving you this award today. Congratulations, a Head Teachers Award is coming your way. Well done. So my next certificate is on its way to Billy. Billy, your enthusiasm and consistent hard work is being recognised today. So in maths lessons, you've been able to demonstrate your very precise measuring when making your maths mocktails. So well done, Billy. Keep up the great work. So my next Head Teachers Award is indeed a very special one. This award goes to Aman in 5JL. And Aman, this award has been voted by your peers. And this is because they have noticed a real change in a positive attitude towards yourself and your achievements, and they wanted to say a huge well done. So from your peers and from all of the staff, we want to say congratulations, Aman. You make us proud all of the time. Well done. Next up, we're saying congratulations, Stephen in 5C. Stephen, you've really shown improvement in your handwriting, and you've been doing some brilliant handwriting without using a coloured pen. And this is a really big step for you, Stephen. So from all of the staff and everybody at school, we want to say congratulations to you, Stephen. Well done. So here we are saying congratulations to another student who's working towards their Duke of Edinburgh Award. So Sophia in 5S, this Head Teachers Award is coming to you for always getting fully involved in all of the Duke of Edinburgh activities. Sophia, you really do give it 100%, so well done, Sophia. So now we're in 5M, and it's a big shout out and a big well done to Rayan. Rayan, you're beginning to tolerate your shoes for longer periods of time, and this is after a really long period of time of not wearing them. So we want to say to you a huge well done and congratulations. We're giving you a certificate. Well done, Rayan. So my final Head Teachers Award is indeed another very special one, and this award is a sports award and it goes to Montel. So Montel, you have given 100% effort in all of your sports lessons, developing your skills and techniques, especially in tag rugby. Montel, everybody is so proud of you. You're an absolute superstar. Well done, Montel. So now it's time for me to say goodbye to everybody with a final well done and congratulations to all the children and young people that received a Head Teachers Award today. I also want to say a sincere thank you to all the staff at Sherbourne that continue to work so tirelessly to make sure that everybody here has the absolute best chance with everything that they do. I also want to thank our families for their continued support. So it's time to say goodbye to everybody. It's half term. It's time to rest and time to relax, and we'll see you all next term for some more fantastic activities, fantastic lessons, and I'm sure some amazing things to celebrate. So well done everybody, and goodbye for now.
Your love lifted me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side.